Henry. You ready? I don't even know how much I'm supposed to give him. He's like, oh God, it's all over the sleeve. Here you go. Yum! You want a little bit more? Let's try some more. What do you think? Yum, Rooney! You want to try some more? Let's try a little bit more. He's just knocking it with his hands. He's like, I'm not quite sure what to do with this. He's eating it. You want a little bit more? Let's try. Well, you gotta be careful.
Is he eating it? Or is he spitting it all out?
He's swallowing. No, he's swallowing it. A lot of it's coming out, but I think maybe I'm giving him too much at one time.
Yeah.
Let's try just a teeny beeny bit. Here you go.
That was up his mouth.
I know, it's like he knows what he's doing.
He did it. Yeah. We're so proud of you, buddy.
Look at you go. Oh, I thought that was a fart.
That was excitement.
You want some more?
Sounds like he knows exactly what to do.
He seems to be liking it. I think it's weird for him at first, but... Here you go. Get some more? He wants to hold it himself. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Look at you. You're even holding the spoon. Bravo! Bravo! I think he's... he's chewing on it like he's going, oh, this is fun. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Food all over your face. Is this what we have to look forward to? Can I have the spoon back, please? He's like got death grip on the spoon. Can I have it? Okay. Let's try a little bit more. Have some more? I think he likes it.
I think he does too.
He's just, I mean, he's opening his mouth and stuff like he... I think it's just texture very different than what he's used to.
Yay, Henry!
You did it! You're a turkey! Oh, okay. You want a little bit more? Look at... Did you get his tongue? He was going to the spoon. Henry, you're not big enough to hold the spoon yet. I know you want to. Look how mad he's getting. He wants to hold the spoon. Maybe he wants more. Is he getting mad because he wants more? Are you getting mad because you want more? You like the way it tastes?